Okay, you just don't know sa sobrang laki ng contribution mo sa akin, upline. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka-influential sa akin.
Wow.
You just build me. Ikaw nagbi-build sa akin. Hindi na based on competition yung pag-handle ko sa grupo ko. Lalong lumalakas. Kasi I was able to build, or I'm able to build a community na, alam mo yung, walang competition, and they just love each other. They're happy for the success of each other. There's a lesson that you would really keep in mind at gusto ko didikit yan. Yun yung lesson na yun. Dapat as early as possible, you have to let go of the people na nakaka-drain sa buhay mo. Kasi hindi ka talaga makakaangat if that's the case. Parang ikaw yung type na tao na hindi ko nakitaan ng problema. Kahit siguro may problema ka, hindi siya halata sa sa itsura mo. Paano mo siya nagawa?